The Asian woolly-necked stork is a large wading bird in the stork family, reaching 75 to 92 centimetres tall. It lives in meadows and grasslands not too far from water and feeds on amphibians, reptiles and insects. The Asian green bee-eater is about 21 centimetres in length, with a black beak which continues a black pattern across the eyes, which are red. Their main foods are bees, wasps and ants. The Indian pond heron is widespread throughout Sri Lanka, preferring habitats like marshes and paddy fields where they feed on crustaceans, insects, fish and tadpoles. They have buff brown feathers except for the white ones under their wings. The little cormorant has a short stubby bill. It is found in the lowlands, in freshwater rivers and lakes. It is smaller than the Indian cormorant and has a flatter head. Little egrets have thin black bills and yellow feet. They live in a variety of wetlands, provided there are small fish there. During the breeding season, they develop 2 long head plumes and a spray of white plumes on the lower back. White-throated kingfishers are mainly brown, with blue wings and back, and a white patch on the throat, often seen perched on fence posts and telephone lines near to wetlands. The black-hooded oriole is a distinctive medium-sized bird found in open woodlands and cultivated areas. They are omnivorous, eating fruit, nectar and insects. The yellow and black plumage is very striking. Although commonly referred to as peacocks, this is a term which just refers to the males, with the females being peahens. So the correct term is the Indian peafowl. The males raise their tail feathers and quiver them when courting a female. They are estimated to live for about 15 years in the wild. Peafowl feed on grass, seeds, flower buds, fruits and insects, as well as a wide range of crops in cultivated areas. Common myna are brown and black with white wing patches and yellow legs, bill and eye patch. They are gregarious and form noisy flocks and have a strong territorial instinct. They are believed to pair for life and have clutches of 4 to 6 eggs. Red-wattled lapwings are distinctively marked with a black breast and throat, red wattles and a red bill with a black tip. They are ground birds usually found not far from water. They lay 3 to 4 buff-coloured eggs with black markings, which hatch in 28 to 30 days. Spotted doves are common garden birds, also seen in open forests, fields and parks, where they forage on the ground for grass seeds, grains and fallen fruit and other seeds.